Hello, I'm Lenny from Lifestyle Mobility. Today we're going to show you an unboxing video. We're going to unbox the Pride Apex Rapid. So all you need to do this job is a pair of scissors. So it's really easy to do. Got to cut the straps when it arrives to you. Like so. Best thing to do is always get these out of the way so they're not a trip hazard. You need to cut the tape all the way around the box. Once that's done, we're in. So, undo the box like so. Take out the packaging, obviously keep any manuals safe because it can be important. In this here we've got the scooter manual and vital parts from the scooter and its keys, so keep all that safe. First we can start with the armrests, so you just pull those out one by one. We've then got the seat post, which we'll install later. Then we've got the charger. Obviously, all this packaging you do want to keep just in case you have to return the item. Remove all the bits of packaging like so. That then reveals the battery, which we can remove next. The basket and the colour packs. You then need to bring the tiller up and you can re-tighten the tiller. That allows you to remove more packaging. These are very packed well to obviously keep the product nice and safe. Prevent any damage to any of the components. And then remove the packaging like such. And what you're left with is your new scooter. An easy way to get your scooter out instead of trying to lift the product is if you take apart the box very carefully on the end. You can either do that just by pulling the box open right in the corner, or using obviously a pair of scissors. So if you can get the rear or the front end of the box open, you will then be able to get your scooter out. So you might want to put your scooter into freewheel, so then you can slide your scooter forwards and out of this box. So once we've removed all the packaging, we're left with the essential components of the scooter, and now it's time to put it together. What we start with is the seat post. We've got different heights on the seat post for different height users. Put that in. In the user manual earlier, we need one of the larger pins to locate our seat post. You put that in all the way and you can see it come through the other side, so you know that's in. Next, what we do is we put the battery into the product. Push down firm so you know it's in. The next stage is our seat. You've got the lever on the seat here, pull the lever up, put the seat on, push all the way down, and you can just make sure that it's in, obviously just to confirm it's locked in firm. Bring the back of the seat up. Next stage is to install the armrests. So left and right. First of all, you can slide them into the holders on the actual seat. And then going back into the pouch with the user manual, we need the two smaller pins just to make sure the arms don't fall out. We can set the different widths. And then we can do the armrests up with the thumb screws, both on the left and right hand side. In the pouch here as well, we have got another pin to go into the back of the scooter for the accessory port. And then on the front, we've got the basket, which just clips on really easily. And we've got a second set of colours which are blue. So if you don't like the red, you can just unclip them and swap them out for the blue ones. And then we get the charger. The keys are in the pack. You can put them into the scooter. And we've got the user manual. So that is how you assemble your Pride Apex Rapid.
Lifestyle and Mobility, your local mobility specialist.